Hello, this is Chen in KDT headquarters. Today I'm going to introduce you our compact and popular zigzag drilling machine, KD-610NH. KD-610NH mainly applies to process vertical, horizontal drilling, grooving, and meaningful man-made bolts. Minimal panel size 70 x 30 mm. High-speed and pattern caps with widened structure ensures an accurate and efficient work. AIN's cloning algorithm enables predictive drilling, with drill bits reach out in advance. Seamless machining execution with pre-planned toolpaths. Supporting milling, slotting, cutting, and other operations. Upper spindle configured with 5.5 kW high-power motor ensures for stable and efficient loading. Workpiece in fit and outfit in front. Lace footprint. Want to learn more? Follow KDT.